Hit the road, idiom. Meaning to start a journey or leave a place. Examples. 1. After packing their bags, they decided it was time to hit the road for their weekend getaway. 2. As soon as the meeting ended, she hit the road to get home before rush hour. Tips for remembering. Visualize. Imagine someone literally hitting the pavement with their shoes as they start a trip. Connect. Think of it as an informal way to say leave or begin traveling. Practice. Use it when you or someone you know is about to leave for a trip or just heading out. Remember, hit the road has this casual, almost adventurous vibe to it. So next time you are heading out on a new journey, mentally picture yourself hitting the road. That's all for now. Don't forget to subscribe for regular updates. Thank you. Bye.